Hey there, traders. Today, we're diving into the nuts and bolts of a powerful feature of Odinbot, cross-mirror trading prevention. First of all, what is cross-mirror trading prevention? Simply put, it's a safeguard that controls how trades are mirrored between wallets. Here's how it works. When this feature is enabled, the bot locks a token trade to the wallet that initiated the first buy. Until that trade closes, other wallets can't mirror it. Let's break it down with 3 scenarios to make it crystal clear. Scenario 1. Wallet A has cross-mirror prevention enabled, and wallet B doesn't. If wallet A buys a token first, the bot mirrors it. If wallet B buys the same token later, the bot mirrors that too, because prevention isn't enabled for wallet B. Scenario 2. Wallet A has it enabled, wallet B doesn't, but wallet B buys first. The bot mirrors wallet B's trade. However, if wallet A tries to buy the same token after, the bot won't mirror it because prevention is active on wallet A. Scenario 3. Both wallets have cross-mirror prevention enabled. If wallet A buys first, the bot mirrors it. But if wallet B tries to buy the same token, the bot doesn't mirror it because prevention is active for both wallets. And that's the magic of cross-mirror trading prevention. It ensures clean, conflict-free trading while giving you the ultimate control over your copy trading strategy.